First, you'll want to choose your desired candle container. This will help you determine how much wax you'll need. For this container, we will need a little more than 3 cups of wax chips. Once measured, follow the directions on the package to melt the wax. A small tip, your container and your wax should be as close in temperature as possible. This will help your wax settle. Once your wax is melted, you will need to wrap your wick around a craft stick to keep it stable as the wax sets. You may have to try a few times in order to get your wick to sit straight. Now, you'll want to pour a small amount of wax just to cover the bottom. Then, you'll place your wick into the container. Be sure to hold your wick in place for a couple seconds in order to help it set in the wax. With the rest of your melted wax, add your desired amount of fragrance and be sure to mix for 3 to 5 minutes consistently for proper binding of the fragrance to the wax. Now you'll want to pour your wax into the container. Once the wax is poured, let the candle set for 24 hours or until the wax totally solidifies. Once this happens, you can now trim your wick to about 1/4 inch. To create a more finished look, you can cut and tape paper around the container. And that's how you make handmade candles.